Guitar. Oops. Don't like full screen as much, but anyway, so guitar. That's that topic. Okay, we'll start with like some accessories. Uretar. Uretar. And you know the word uar is an hour, so uretar. That comes from that word. Uretar, a masculine noun. A wristwatch. Okay, so next one. Speklaren, again, you're familiar with this word. Speklaren, plural noun. Speklaren, glasses. Speklaren, specs. Whatever you prefer. Okay, Chris, masculine noun. Chris, meaning belt. Chris. Okay. Jesha. So we're on to clothes now. Jesha. Suit. Any suit is Jesha. Okay, but well, business suit or any suit, even swimsuit, still Jesha. Feminine noun, this one. Okay, so Fellig, Fellig, kilt, masculine noun. Fellig, Fellig. Okay, long vowel. Fellig. Next one, Drash, feminine noun. Okay, Drash. Linen underwear. In Gaelic, there is no special word for male or female underwear. It's still Drash. Okay. Okay. British garage. So the word British, the trousers, is a feminine noun. So British garage, shorts, also feminine. British garage. Shorts. Right? Bonnet. Bonnet. Feminine noun. Bonnet or hat. There is another word for hat, which we will come to, which is also feminine. So bonnet. Bonnet. Bonnet or hat. Okay, at. At. Feminine noun. Gensi. Gensi. Gensi is masculine noun, meaning jumper. Gensi. And Charlie is here. Gensi. Gensi is jersey, really. That's an English word. Okay. And the GRC. That's where it comes from. Gensi, masculine noun. Okay. And next one. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Lene. Lene. Lene is a feminine noun, means shirt. Lene. Okay. So any shirt is lene. Any shirt or top is lene. Feminine noun. Okay. Let's move on. Dressa. Dressa is feminine noun as well. Dressa. Dress. Yeah, Gaelic people didn't really have dresses. They had kilts. It was a big kilt. It just was worn different ways from male or female. There was a special name for female kilts. Yeah. But it was basically a piece of clothes anyway, just worn in a different way. Okay. Okay, pechen. Pechen. Waistcoat. Pechen. Masculine noun. Waistcoat. Pechen. It's brickish. Brickish. So breeches, trousers. Feminine noun. And this noun is actually singular, unlike in English where it's plural. Brickish. Skirta. Skirta. Feminine noun again. Skirt. Okay. Båtanen. Båtanen. So any boots are båtanen. Okay, welly boots or any other boots are still båtanen. This is a plural noun. Båtanen. Boots. Broken. Broken. Broken is another plural noun. I mean, shoes. Any shoes are broken. Basically, whatever is not boots is shoes. So broken. Stockenen. Stockenen. Socks. Stockenen. Another plural noun. Basically, traditional stockenen would be kilt socks. But these days, any socks are still stockenen. Okay.